Here's another interesting piece of work that's going on in the shop. I got a old end table that somebody has that see was made in Denmark, and it was her mother's, so she wants it repaired. Whereas they had a little damage, broke the dowels, and have some parts of the legs coming apart, and looks like the dowels glue did not stay in, so the legs came out. But it's a nice looking table, interesting design. Been checking this kind of thing out for a while, and like that style there. So that's how the front looks, but or the top. But the thing we need to do is get the legs fixed. So that's what we're going to work on this week, and I'll give you pictures how it looks after I'm finished. Okay, I've already drilled the holes and got the dowels put in place. I got to glue these up. I've already glued up this set of legs, so now it's just wait for that to dry, and then we'll put it together. Well, this is just a piece of what I'm doing. I glued the legs up last night, so they had some time to dry. I put the wood on. For those of you who don't know, if you have a piece of wood on in between the clamps, that helps to keep from scarring up the wood. And hopefully this is going to stay together like I want it to. And it's pretty good, so it should stay together. And I got the other leg. I'll take that one apart. And I got this one. So the hope is we get these apart, and then we're going to put together the base. We'll put it onto the base. So that's this done. And next part is just I got to glue up the legs, or put the dowels, glue and everything, put that together, and wait another evening, and then it should be done. Okay, this is you say where the rubber hits the road. Gotta get the glue on this thing, and what do you say? I do a lot of gluing, so I use this as my little way of putting it together. I'll say quickly. Now this is a little piece. I just cut a piece of wood, just as an easy way to be able to use it. And right now I'm just filling in the hole where my dowel is going to go, and I'll put my dowels in. Change a little bit of glue on these guys, just so we got everything has some glue on it. Of course, you see I put some paper down just to try to not get glue on everything or where I don't want it. There will be some squeeze out, and that's to be expected. So just do this real quick, and ain't trying to take too long doing this, because the glue has to we say set up, and it'll dry fairly quickly. So I also want some movement, because this is not my putting this together is not it's not the, what do you say, I'm repairing it, so it's not the same as putting it together for the first time, because then I'd have some wiggle room. for where it's going to go. This thing is, what do you say? I know I don't have everything straight, but it's going to work out as I make it become straight, if you know what I mean. Okay. I'll do this and show you what it looks like after I'm done. Okay, might seem like a simple concept, but this is not easy. Got to get this all to go together. And of course you got to worry about the glue drying while you're doing this. But I'm trying to put this together after it's been broken, so it doesn't all go quite as easily as you want it to. And sometimes you got to use a little persuasion, which you'll see how I help persuade it to get closer. Some of it is brute force, and sometimes that works good. That one just doesn't want to go. But I want to get this to come together. Did not set up everything like I wanted to. But I will try to get this to come closer together. And this is part of the way that I'm doing that. And hopefully these guys will stay in place. And slowly it will come together. So I'll do the other side. Up. Come on. Why don't you go in together? Come on. This one is trying to act right for some reason. Come on. Let's go. This ain't working. I need this one. Okay, that's the reason why. Try to get the clamps in place before you do this. Yeah, maybe to get closer. What we're trying to do is squeeze it together. I'll see a little glue squeeze out, and that looks like that has come together pretty good. This one has come together pretty good, it looks like too. The glue will squeeze out, and I will wipe the squeeze out off. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now you just wipe the glue away, and this will almost, you won't know that it's been done once we got all this glue off of here. course, your rag will take this off. That's basically what we do. And now wait overnight, and that'll be a new table. Okay, we got this put together. I'd like to throw a shout out to Tight Bond 3. Been using this for most of my projects now. Hopefully I will keep getting some good results, and people will like checking this, doing the repairs. Thanks a lot.